Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north central Texas, east central Hamilton County in central Texas, northwestern McLennan County in central Texas, central Correo County in central Texas, Johnson County in north central Texas, Bosque County in central Texas, western Hill County in central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Meridian, or 12 miles northwest of Clifton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Mansfield, Burleson, Cleburne, Midlothian, Gatesville, Crowley, Hillsboro, Woodway, Lacey Lakeview, Keene, Joshua, McGregor, Alvarado, Clifton, Rendon, Venus, Glen Rose, Whitney, and Itasca. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 361 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 37. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on